Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to x plus 1 in here. Because we still have x, so I will put number 1. Go to the left, and you got about u minus 1 equals to x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equals to the x. x plus 1 we change by u, x we change by u minus 1. The x we change by the u. And now we need to expand this one. One plus 2 you got about 3. U square divided by u, 2u divided by u, number 3 divided by u. So you got about u minus 2 plus 3 over u. The integration of u, you got about u square over 2. About number 2, you got about 2u. About this one, you got about 3 ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about x plus 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.